Hello and welcome to Craft YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing about Armory 3D, a brand new game engine which is integrated right into our beloved software Blender. So let's go to Armory 3D website and download the program now. Just press this button and choose the desired file. I'll be downloading this one. This is Armory 05B Windows 64 B 2.7. So press download and download it. Armory 3D is downloaded on my system. So now I'll go to the download. Right click on Armory 05 Win 64 B27 and extract it. It will take some time. Windows is a bit finicky about unzipping the files. This process is quite fast in Linux. So if you are Linux, I'm sure you will unzip it before me. Okay, let it unzip. So now that the Armory is unzipped, I'll go into this folder, cut this Armory folder, and I'll paste it in my C drive for easy access. It should take a couple of seconds. After that, I'll go into the Armory folder and select the Blender file and right click it and drag it to create a shortcut. I'll rename the shortcut as well to Armory. As you can see, I have Blender 2.79 already installed. Although for Armory we don't need already installed Blender, because Armory comes with its own flavor of Blender. Basically it is integrated with Blender 2.79 and with Blender 2.8 as well. So if you don't have the Blender, you can directly download the Armory version and you'll have the main Blender as well as integrated Armory system.